Give me 5 minutes and I'm going to walk you through the exact step to getting prospects pre-qualified, pre-sold, and excited to say heck yes to your high ticket offer even before the sales call. And if you drop me the word pre-sold in the comments, I'm actually going to send you for free my simple guide for creating your own two-step funnel so that you can replicate this for your own business. Now, if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Oninya Nike. I am the creator of the Mom's Method, and I've taught hundreds of coaches, consultants, and experts just like yourself how to amplify their brand and fill their offers and programs with high-end clients so that they can have more income while creating greater impact with their gifts. And in every single video, you're going to get simple client attraction strategies and principles that you can implement in your business right now. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to getting prospects pre-qualified, pre-sold, and excited to say yes to your high-ticket offers even before the sales call so that you can double your close rates. Now, first and foremost, before I share the steps, if you want to book more calls with highly qualified prospects who happily pay your high ticket prices without much objections, you want to make sure that your messaging is doing the upfront legwork for you, meaning it's acting as your salesperson. Your content, which is a part of your messaging, it needs to cover what your perfect fit client needs to know and understand about you, your offer, your methodology, the results and outcomes that you provide in order for them to make a powerful and informed decision prior to them actually booking a sales call with you. Having content, in my case, I love video and lives because it's powerful, in place that pre-sells for you actually reduces the chances of having random people who are not a good fit book sales calls, waste your time, give you a million objections, you know the drill. So for this process to work, you need to know with absolute clarity what specific problem you solve for what specific type of person and what results you help them get. Okay, now let's talk about the two-step pre-qualification funnel to have more pre-qualified and pre-sold prospects ready to say heck yes to your high ticket offer. Okay, the pre-qualification funnel is not complex. It doesn't require much tech, if any, and it doesn't take a lot of time to put together. If anything, it took me 45 minutes. It's simple, right? You have a lead who's interested in booking a call with you. Right? You take them to your scheduler, which has a couple questions, pre-qualification questions that they have to answer prior to booking that call. So you fill this out. So this allows you to get a sense of if they're actually a good fit for your services or not. Like, can you actually help them? And if you want to move forward with the call, because if they're not a good fit, I reach out to them and I let them know ahead of time, like it wouldn't make sense for us to get on the call. I give them a free resource and then I cancel the call. So that's the first step. Lead to that scheduler with 5 to 7 very specific qualifying questions. The second step is now that they've booked the call and they're a good fit, you send them to a follow-up resource for me to guide designed to re-educate them on who you are, how you help, meaning the problem you solve and the results you help people get, your method, your process, and a few testimonials so that they're aware before they get on the call. Plus, if you have a link that's going to continue to build excitement and nurture them and have them binge on a specific, thing you have, a podcast, YouTube, blog, whatever, something that's going to help build up momentum for them, meaning in terms of nurturing them and indoctrinating them and getting them to really understand what you do and how you do it. Why we do this is because they know after consuming this that they are a good fit for what you have. You're qualifying them. They understand the problem that you solve. They know what results they can expect and the benefits of that result is. They also know the pathway, meaning the methodology, that process that you take them through. And so they trust you as an expert because you're also showing social proof. They also believe in their own ability to get the results because your content, which you're going to lead them to after this, has provided some insight and shifted beliefs and diagnosed problems and overcome objections and really talk them through their inner objections. So when this is done right, you create an ecosystem where your prospects are pre-qualified, pre-sold, and pre-motivated to actually take action on your offer with very little, if any, objections, because you've done a lot of the selling up front with the content that you created and at the back end with the funnel. They're actually ready to jump on that call with you much more informed, right? And it ends up becoming a formality and usually about 20 minutes or less just to ensure that it's truly a good fit, the vibes, answer any lingering questions, and if there's any customization that's necessary. This is a very simple and powerful process that allows your prospects to come to the call empowered and informed and ready to make a decision. So if you would like my guide for creating your own in-depth guide for creating your own two-step funnel, so that you can replicate this in your business with the mini training that I actually created for this. Put the word pre-sold in the comment section and I'll actually send it to you for free just for watching this video. So put the word pre-sold in and I'll actually send you the entire funnel step with a guide and example so that you can incorporate this into your own business. All right. Until next time, see you later. Bye.